Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are actually learning that a popular piece of software that I find completely useless, CCleaner, is actually, if you are using a pirated version, a cracked version for the professional version, well, you're all being infected by malware. As more and more reports are coming up, it seems that what's happening is that it actually is polluting your search results. So when you go to Google, you go to any website and you do some searches, it doesn't search from there. It actually searches from somewhere else and gives you only links of software, links of bad websites where you can get infected, especially if you haven't done your Windows updates. A lot of the links that are given actually send you to pages that have scripts that check all of the different security flaws that your computer has. So this is very, very interesting because, we talk about it all the time, how pirated software is something you should never use, and that everybody that tries to get, steal software and get cracked copies of any types of software always gets bitten by malware. And of course, the answer to that is, of course, to install a pirated copy of an antivirus with a pirated whatever, and and these guys think they're safe, and they have absolutely no idea what's going on, and then they wonder why they lose their Facebook, they lose their accounts, they actually get hacked everywhere. It's simple, is you're doing stuff that you shouldn't do. So beware of cracked software. This is a great example, and even more, I'd say even closer to that. Stop installing useless software. No, CCleaner does not do anything to help Windows. Windows can handle itself quite well. So if you are using pirated software, think again. As you see here, there's a lot happening, and it happens in such a subtle way sometimes that you have no idea that you're actually slowly being infected, slowly being redirected everywhere. I've seen that as a tech guy so many times in the 15 years that I've been going to fix computers that, you're redirected everywhere. Everything you do, searches you do, don't even bring you to the right websites. Sometimes they look alike, like phishing scam. Just avoid the pirated versions of anything. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.